respect your opponent. You played it the full of your ability. Even if you're winning by a lot, you keep going and you keep pushing. So I want to say we respect the galleries a lot, and that's why I think we pushed as hard as we could this game. I also want to say a really good job to the non-starters who came in because they played very well. They played phenomenally. So congrats to them. They had a phenomenal game, and I'm super excited for them too.
And for Coach, congrats po sa win. Karamihan po ng mga starters na po ipinahingan nyo. So ano na po siguro yung thought process nyo na yung mga second stringers po muna yung ginamit ko for the most part?
Timing lang dun sa mga second stringer, talagang they play well naman. And sa training naman talagang 100% din yung ginagawa nila. So deserve lang nila talaga yung play time. About kay Gemma naman, sa mga PTs namin yung nag-decide kasi medyo sensitive yung injury. We hope na makabalik siya agad next conference. So sa ngayon talaga totally rest lang talaga siya. Malaking kawalan din si Gemma pero nandun na yun eh.